question of the day is, why don't they make windshield wipers for glasses?
Last time we looked up the weather for TinyFest, it was supposed to be sunny, but now all of a sudden it's raining. But
Cold rain too.
we're gonna go tour some vans, enjoy ourselves, and it looks like they have some indoor stuff in that building. So
I actually think we have to go that way first.
if it gets too bad, we'll probably go in there.
Nonetheless, I'm excited.
We're a bit overwhelmed by the amount of tiny vans.
In a
and
good way.
houses.
Not a bad overwhelm, a good overwhelm.
So it seems like the plan of attack will be
Let's go counterclockwise so that way we can make sure we don't miss anything. And also, it's not too bad that it's raining because we're inside. So.
So there's a whole bunch of vans in here, and then there's probably 50 of them outside as well.
It's official. We're painting the van yellow. It goes like down in. You can pop it up. But the bed, we can't sleep like this, bro. We're too long.
Hand burned in there.
That's awesome. Cool.
Yeah, this is huge.
Yeah. I'll show you a couple of the other features, man.
They're like,
All this area over here, this all opens up. So this is your whole kitchen area, but you wouldn't really know it until you start folding things out of the way. And so then here you've got your faucet, and hidden underneath, slide this out.
wow.
You got your cooktop, your sink,
That's pretty awesome.
That's
and your cutting board area. Extra storage
All right,
underneath.
throw our whole van away.
Oh my.
Guys, this one was really over the top, and
Yeah. I
I'm sure
love
this
it.
is not the first van that they built, though, so it's okay.
No, this is the first one.
No, if this is what they started at,
yeah, and then this one flips up the same and comes over so you can rent stuff off on the outside as
okay.
well. It's got a pocket door in here, which is kind of unusual for van life. You don't usually get like a full pocket door, so when you come back here, you get full privacy from everybody else in the van.
That's what we
All
need.
6 people.
Yeah, and then on top of that, you got your bathroom down here.
Oh, okay.
So this comes out, it's on a little lazy Susan, so you can sit here and take care of your business and get it out of the way.
Nice. It's so large. Like, I feel like you need a CDL license to drive this. Look at my head. Look. Head and the handle are at the same height. Like, it's just.
Are those all your vans?
Yeah. This is in our neighborhood, new neighborhood. It's called Vanhood. That's cool how they put the wine glasses up there. There's so many more vans and conversions and tiny things to see. As you can see behind me, but since it's raining, we don't really expect people to open up their homes and stuff like that. and this weather. But we got the weekend pass, so hopefully we can come back tomorrow when it's not raining and see all the ones that we didn't get to see today. But so far, so good. I don't want to get this on my seat. Then my seat's gonna be wet.
There's so much on you. All right, let me get your towel.
Day 2!
It's day 2.
It's not raining.
Yeah.
But it's supposed to rain.
Around 12. But I think we have like an hour to tour the vans before it starts sprinkling.
Buses.
But yeah, I'm excited. There's a whole bunch over there. We have our wristbands from the other day, which is the weekend pass, so we should be able to walk right in.
Start tossing our cares away. Rise and shine. You better wake up on time. Isn't clear. I promise now.
I know. I feel so bad for walking into people.
Oh, I have plenty of towels, and that's where I think it's that water-resistant thing.
Very nice.
I did it all myself. It was super easy, actually. I have a foot pump for my water. There's no solar on the roof. I have my little jackery in here.
Okay. I didn't realize that you could just offer up your van for this thing and then,
Get free parking.
well, I don't really care about that. I mean, that's nice, but it's cool that these people just offered it up, you know, so people can look inside.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if I want people to come inside my van like that, especially on a wet day, because it's a small space and it gets dirty very quickly, but that's nice of other people.
I thought it was like, it's a little extreme, a little wild, but I think it goes
think
great
so.
with like all the reclaimed wood and
Yeah, I don't think it's
Yeah.
extreme, but I'm
It's a little
dramatic, so probably
Yeah.
talking to the wrong person. I love this. It's awesome.
There's a water tank on that side.
What size bed is this?
Queen. Yeah. Yeah. Me and my girlfriend live in here together, and I used to have this set up differently where it was like a fold-out bed. That did not work well for 2 people.
Yeah, I can
You know?
only imagine.
Because so we built it this
Hide
way
it.
where she's doing her makeup or whatever, she just set whatever products out here.
That's awesome.
Top
Okay, thank you. Really awesome bed.
Beds, of course, especially in a water tank over here for $45. Water pump.
We out.
Got a
Pomegranate
pomegranate lemonade. Just finished pouring all the vans. A lot of inspiration.
It was super cool.
Yeah, if you're planning on building out your van, you definitely want to come to TinyFest
Before, not after,
not
like we
after,
did.
Like we did. But yeah, I liked it.
And I still love our van, by the way.
Yeah,
You
me
did a
too.
great job, honey.
Thank you. Well, if you like this video, make sure you
Like,
and
comment, subscribe.
and don't forget to put on those push notifications so that way you can notify each time I put on a new video.
And as always,
Thanks for doing life.